Is it the right time to make a move on Nvidia stock? Today, we're going to delve deep into Nvidia. We previously published a report on our website on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and now we're back to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since October 25, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a sell candidate with a score of -2.68. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -3.48%. This means that, on average, it has been losing -1.74% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a declining trend, which presents a potential buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $389.68 is broken, it may indicate a stronger fall rate. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -4.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -7.75% and 13.55%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 239.75% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 239.75% and 367.25%. This means the stock price could range from $1,370.06 to $1,884.24 after a year. Our latest update for Nvidia brings you the headline: Nvidia stock price down 3.48% on Thursday. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, the Nvidia stock price experienced a decline of 3.48%, dropping from $417.79 to $403.26. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 5.96%, reaching a low of $398.80 and a high of $422.56. Over the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a decrease of 14.1% during this period. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 15 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could potentially indicate an early warning sign, with a slightly increased risk in the upcoming days. In total, approximately 53 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $21.41 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $502.30, while the lowest price was $129.56. Presently, the stock is trading at a value that is 19.72% or $99.04 lower than its 52-week high of $502.30, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any analyst ratings for this stock. However, seeking a third-party opinion is always helpful, so you can try searching the internet for more information. Today, we're going to talk about how to refine a script for a YouTube video to make it clearer and more engaging. The first step is to ensure that the main points and essence of the original content remain intact. You want to retain the core message while improving its delivery. To make the script clearer, it's essential to use concise and straightforward language. Avoid complex jargon or lengthy explanations that might confuse your audience. Instead, focus on conveying your ideas in a way that everyone can understand. Engaging your viewers is crucial to keep them interested throughout the video. One way to do this is by incorporating storytelling techniques. Use anecdotes, personal experiences, or examples to make your content relatable and engaging. Another way to enhance engagement is through the use of rhetorical questions. By asking thought-provoking questions, you can create a sense of curiosity and encourage your viewers to think deeper about the topic. Additionally, varying your tone and pace can also help maintain engagement. Use pauses, emphasize specific words or phrases, and adjust your speaking speed to add emphasis and create a dynamic listening experience. Lastly, remember to maintain a conversational tone. Pretend like you're talking to a friend rather than delivering a formal presentation. This approach will make your content more relatable and enjoyable for your audience. So, to summarize, when refining a script for a YouTube video, focus on clarity by using simple language, engage your viewers through storytelling and rhetorical questions, vary your tone and pace, and maintain a conversational tone. By following these tips, you'll be able to create YouTube videos that are clear, engaging, and captivating for your audience. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Nvidia stock. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upwards, it may encounter resistance at the levels of $420.61 and $438.19. A breakthrough above either of these levels could potentially issue buy signals. On Thursday, October 12, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -14.10%. This indicates a further potential decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently suggests a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It's advisable to closely monitor the stock in light of this observation. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. The moving average convergence divergence is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal that occurred 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. When we analyze the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 6 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average provided a sell signal 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal that occurred 2 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. There is currently no strong support from accumulated volume below today's level, which indicates that the stock may face significant challenges in the coming days. This means there is a possibility of the stock performing poorly. Nvidia typically experiences average daily movements with good trading volume, making the risk associated with it considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $23.75, or 5.96%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.47%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings, giving us insight into its valuation. Nvidia has an exceptionally high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 21, 2023. Analysts have estimated the earnings per share to be $3.32. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $439.38. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't a significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock has the potential to drop sharply. It's crucial to proceed with caution, especially if you're not an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Drell Persis conducted an insider sell of 2,300 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah conducted an insider sell of 7,951 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted an insider sell of 3,068 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Puri Ajay K. conducted an insider sell of 8,458 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Cress Collette conducted an insider sell of 8,919 shares of common. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -19.183. Overall, insiders purchased 421,264 shares and sold 627,435 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is it a good idea to buy Nvidia stock? Nvidia currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and downward trend. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. When we examine the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Friday, October 27th, we expect Nvidia to open with a gain of $4.95, starting the day's trading at $408.21. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know what target you have set for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a wonderful day. Best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.